What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a super exciting day. We're gonna be bidding on 2020 Porsche Carrera S. So let's take a look and see exactly what we got.
So we got a really nice Porsche 2020 Carrera S. Let's do a 360 so we could see the whole car. Front end collision looks pretty good. Hopefully the headlight is not damaged. Cooling system, hood, front bumper, probably body panel got pushed in. This headlight seems to be okay. Radiator on the left side should be okay. Back end is perfect. Carrera S. Very nice car. Let's take a look inside. Inside, dashboard didn't deploy, just the driver's airbag and knee airbag. Really nice car, I like it a lot. So if everything goes well, we should be able to buy it. It has 10,000 miles, 11 almost. Sold by Geico and they paid somebody up 137,000. So everything goes well, maybe we'll buy it. Pre-bid stopped at 50. We're gonna go up to 65. Wish me luck. Live auction starts right now.
Looks like we got ourselves a new build. 2020 Porsche Carrera S. 65,000. I think that's a really good price, man. Let's go and pick it up.
I got the truck and trailer all hooked up and ready to go. Let's go pick up our new build. Good old Tacoma and the trailer. Let's see if the lights are working. Yep, we're good. Let's go get our Porsche. Man, I'm super excited. Whenever we're getting a Porsche or something like that, it's always a good feeling. And I bought this Porsche for a fellow subscriber. Thank you so much for reaching out and trusting me to get you your dream Porsche. You know who you are? Thank you, my friend. So the auction is in North Hollywood. It's about an hour away. So I'll take you guys with me. We're gonna record the whole process, so it should be a fun day. And I'll see you guys at the auction. And for now, enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're 1 hour and 30 minutes away, 74 miles. So I should be arriving there at 10 o'clock. And we're here, pulling up to the auction, should be right here on the right side, North Hollywood. Okay, we got here. Let's go inside, get the paperwork. Kind of a stupid location, North Hollywood. You gotta wait forever to get anything done here. All right, let's go. Everything's locked. Last time I was here, I had to wait like almost 2 hours to get picked up the vehicle. And all of those trucks are waiting to get the car picked up. Should be fun, should be fun. Okay, I just got my pass. I'm A29, so now I gotta sit and wait till they call my number, and then I'll pull up the truck, we'll load it up, and we're good to go. But yeah, this auction is pretty big. Wow, this is the worst location. No wonder I hate North Hollywood. It's been a very, very long time since I bought a car from this location. But I talked to some of the guys and the guard up front. They said it's gonna take 3 hours to wait for my turn. The number is 17 right now and my number is 29. So they said 3 hours. Wow, ridiculous. What a waste of a day. Just sitting here and not doing nothing. Oh well, I guess that's part of the process. I put a timer just to see exactly how long that's gonna take. So far it's been 2 minutes. I'll let you guys know how it is. And it's really hot outside, so I decided to just go in the car and turn the air condition on. Okay, I guess we wait, answer some emails, reply to some comments, and this goes on. All right, I'll get back to you guys. Finally, it's my turn. 3 hours I had to wait to get my turn. And then once I pull up into the parking lot, probably gonna have to wait again 40 minutes or so. Man, this thing is killing me. Didn't expect this. Like I said, haven't been here in a very long time, but the wait is out of control, ridiculous. So I'll still keep my timer on just to see how long this whole process took me. All right, and I'll try to record as much as I can once I get in there and show you guys the whole process. All right, so I just pulled into the yard. So this is where they're gonna load up the car. And now I gotta wait here, who knows how long. I got 1, 2, 3 trucks in front of me, I think. They're gonna load them up first and then me. Man, all day. And it's really hot. Got myself a little burrito. Gotta eat a little bit, haven't ate anything, so I guess it's lunchtime. For now, we wait, more waiting. Oh, this is ridiculous. All right, I'll get back to you guys. Just had my lunch and we're still waiting. Hopefully soon. And finally, 4 hours later, Porsche is coming. Porsche is secured and ready to go. A little dirty, but it looks like every car is pretty dirty. Looks like it's been sitting here for a while. But nice damage, pretty much all cosmetic. And I think both of the headlights are perfect. This one I don't see no damage, so hopefully nothing inside damage, but other than that, perfect car, ready to go. All right, just left the auction and let's take a look how much it took me to get the car. So 4 hours and 45 minutes took me to get the car. I officially hate North Hollywood location. Oh, wow. Man, they're so slow, it's not even funny. So yeah, finally we're set to go home, back to the shop I mean. So 2 hours and 13 minutes to go home. That's how much it's gonna take us. All right, I'll see you guys back at the shop. Just got back to the shop. Man, it was a long day. I left at 8 in the morning and right now it's 6:30. So pretty much all day doing this. So yeah, I got the jumper hooked up already. We got power. We're gonna unload the car and take a closer look. But overall, perfect, nice car. I already rolled the window down and interior is very nice. Very clean and it smells really good in here. Nice steering wheel. Yeah, very nice, clean car. It's a 2020 with 10,000 miles, so perfect, I like it. So let's unload it and we'll go from there. All right, moment of truth. Starts like a champ. I like it. I like it a lot. It runs and drives and it sounds amazing. And let's see if there's coolant. If there's coolant, I'm gonna be even more happier. It's been sitting somewhere. No, no coolant, so that means radiator is busted. So that means right side radiator is damaged. So that's what it means. Okay, no problem, we'll get a new one. Let's get this out of the car. This seat is nice, no rips, just little coffee spill or something. Seat belt locked, so probably both seat belts. Okay, I like it. Can't see nothing. That was easy. Okay, much better. Just turned on out of nowhere. Because of the airbag. Everything. Okay. But she's a runner. That's the best part when the car runs and drives. We'll give her a quick car wash so we can park inside of the shop nice and clean. And let's remove the bumper. They just put it on zip ties so it doesn't fall off. At least they didn't shove it inside of the car or put it on top of the car. There it goes. And we got the bumper with all the sensors. Definitely save some money. Even though they're damaged parts, but there's still maybe something good left. So that's always a plus. Let's put this cover so the electronics doesn't get wet. Okay, let's give it a quick rinse. First wash, here he goes. Much better. Man, just layer of dirt. Honestly, I think this is the first time I'm buying a car so dirty. Usually they're dirty, but not that dirty. This one has like an inch of dirt on it. So I just did a quick car wash. Still need to probably rewash it a couple of times and then we'll do complete polish and it's gonna look brand new. And it's actually same color as that Turbo S, dark blue. I like this color. But yeah, very nice car, 10,000 miles, good tires, not a single curb rash on the wheels. So that means somebody drove this car very carefully and not a single scratch. And same on this side, perfect rims, good tires, Pirelli P0. Yeah, very nice, I like it. Okay, time for me to go home. It's Friday and it's 8 o'clock and I'm still here. So I just wanted to do a quick wash so this car looks a lot better. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on Monday and we'll start ordering all the parts and get this bad boy back on the road as soon as possible.